Hey, welcome back to Branching Out. Just pulling out the old lawnmower. We're gonna gas her up. We're gonna check the oil, and then we're gonna get out to the back and do a little mowing. So let's get at her. So we have like a million dandelions. The grass is a little overgrown. This is the first cut. This is the food forest here in Zone 6B, Southern Ontario. This is the Branching Out food forest right here. So yeah, I got a week, bunch of time off next week. I'm definitely got a lot of projects I want to try and accomplish, and I want to get a lot of plants in the ground. So yeah, let's get at it. This is what it looks like before. So let's see what it looks like. It looks nice and neat when you cut it up too. So let's get going. All right, this is just a short video this week because next week I'm going to be spending like 6 days here planting. I'm going to try and get as much as I can from the greenhouse outside. Now these ones here, you can see they're wilting a bit. They were totally dry, got too hot in the greenhouse. So we brought them out here to cool off a little bit. They're watered really well. We'll hope they come back. I filled up my tote inside the greenhouse, which is, geez, looks like we're looking at 43, 44 degrees in here. And with the excess water that didn't fit in that tote, I'm filling up these totes. So I don't know if I mentioned it on my last video, I can't remember. But the other side, when the water dam or the ice dam came in, it just bent this down and totally screwed up everything. So we're gonna put another one of these downspouts on the other end. So that's just another project I want to make sure I get taken care of. On top of that, we're going to also add this ginseng tarp. I have this ginseng tarp. I don't know how big it is yet. And we're going to shade off some of this greenhouse. We're going to put it up on this would be the south side, which would be this side, the south side. And we're probably just going to do a portion of it, just a small portion. So that's what we're doing. Right now I'm just filling up this watering can, and I'm going to water my my bare root trees, the nuts I stratified, which are the red oak and the shagbark hickory. And then I'm gonna add some wood chips to the top to help keep that moisture in there, because they just look a little too damp, and I can see the top layer of the nuts or the seeds. So that's what I'm gonna do. So again, I'm just gonna leave you there. A very short video this week. Everything's doing pretty good in here. Yeah, everything's doing really well. We got, you know, a few failures here, a few failures there, but next week we'll do a big tour of everything that got done, and you can really see how my food forest is coming along. So you guys stay safe. Come back next week. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up down there. Share it with your friends. See you later.